Good morning, everyone. My name is Shrantaya from CSC ANL second semester. Today I am here to present my tech talk on the topic Clean the Future of Sewage Treatment. Before I begin, I want to ask simple question. Where does the water go after we use it? So most of us use water daily for bathing, washing, cooking, but we rarely think about what happens after it goes down and drain. That used water becomes sewage, and if not treated properly, it can cause serious environment damage and health problems. So, today I will explain what is sewage and what sewage treatment it is important, how sewage is treated step by step, and what the future holds the wastage water and management. Let us begin. Introduction. So, sewage is a process of removing contaminants from water waste before it is related into the environment. Wastewater comes from different sources like homes, industries, hospitals, and public places. This water waste contains organic waste, harmful chemicals, bacteria, and viruses. If released untreated, it can pollute rivers, lakes, spread diseases, and damage ecosystems. The main objective of sewage treatment are remove harmful pollutants, protect water bodies, remove sanitation, and enable water reuse. So, sewage treatment is not only a technical process, it is essential for survival and sustainability. What is sewage? Sewage is simply wastewater that contains impurities and harmful substances. It is generated from everyday human activities such as using toilets, washing clothes, bathing, cleaning utensils. Sewage contains mixture of liquid waste, solid waste, microorganisms, chemicals. For example, when we wash clothes, detergents enter the water. We cook, oils and food waste enters the drainage system. If the sewage is released directly into rivers, it reduces oxygen levels in water and fishes naturally die. Water becomes unsafe for human use, and therefore sewage must be treated before the disposal. And next one is importance of sewage treatment. Sewage treatment plays a vital role in our society. Let me explain. It is very important in detail. So first one is protects public health. Untreated sewage contains harmful bacteria and viruses that can cause diseases like cholera, typhoid, and dysentery. Treatment removes these pathogens. Second one is prevent water pollution. Without treatment, wastewater contaminates rivers, lakes, and groundwater. And third one is protect an aquatic life. Chemicals and waste reduce oxygen levels, harming and fishing and plants. Treatment helps to maintain balance. And fourth one is conserve water. Treated water can be reused for agriculture, industrial purpose, and gardening. And fifth one is improve sanitization. Proper sewage system lead to a cleaner cities and healthier living conditions. So sewage treatment is essential for both human life and environmental protection. Next one, source of sewage. Sewage comes from different sources. Let us see. So domestic wastewater from homes and bathrooms and kitchens and toilets. Second one, industrial wastewater. Factories produce wastewater with chemicals, oils, and heavy metals. And third one is commercial wastewater. from hotels, hospitals, shopping malls, and offices. And fourth one is stormwater runoff. Rainwater carries dirt, oil, and pollutants from roads into drainage systems. Each type of sewage has different pollutants, which make treatment more complex. Next one is lack of skilled professionals. A sewage treatment plant is a facility designed to treat wastewater and remove contaminants before releasing the water into the environment or reusing it. Wastewater from homes, industries, and commercial areas is collected through the drainage systems and transported to the treatment plants. At the STP, the sewage undergoes several physical, biological, and chemical treatment processes to remove solid waste and harmful microorganisms, the pollutants. Main function of STP: remove solid waste and suspended particles, break down organic matter using microorganisms, eliminate harmful bacteria and pathogens, produce treated water and that is safe for discharge or reuse. Main components of sewage plants: screening unit removes large objects like plastic and debris. Sedimentation tank allows heavy particles to settle as sludge. And aeration tank microorganisms break down and organic pollutants secondary clarify, suppress treated water and sludges. Disinfection unit kills remaining bacteria using chlorine and UV. Primary treatment. Primary treatment is the first stage of sewage treatment in which solid particles and suspended materials are removed from wastewater using physical processes. In this stage, sewage first passes through screens that remove large objects such as plastic, cloths, stick, and other debris. After screening, the wastewater enters to grit chamber, where sand and gravel and small stones settle down. Next, the water flows into a sedimentation tank, where heavier particles settle down at bottom forms sludge, while lighter materials like oil and grease float at the surface are removed. Primary treatment mainly involves removes 50 to 60% of suspended solids and some organic matter, preparing the wastewater for next stage of treatment. Secondary treatment. Secondary treatment is the biological stage of sewage treatment, where microorganisms are used to remove organic pollutants from wastewater. In this stage, wastewater enters an aeration tank where air is pumped into the water. The oxygen helps bacteria and other microbes grow and break down organic waste present in the sewage. These organisms consume the organic matter and convert into carbon dioxide, water, and biomass. And aeration the mixture flow into a secondary clarifier where the microorganisms and remaining solids settle down as sludge. Tertiary treatment. Tertiary treatment is the final and advanced stage of sewage treatment. It is used to remove the remaining impurities that are not removed during primary and secondary treatment. In this stage, wastewater undergoes additional processes such as filtration, chemical treatment, disinfection to remove fine particles, nutrients, and harmful microorganisms. Common methods used in tertiary treatment include filtration and chemical treatment, disinfection, After tertiary treatment, the water becomes much cleaner and safer, and it can be safely released into water and lakes and reused for purposes like irrigation and industrial use. Environmental benefits of sewage treatment. Sewage treatment provides several environmental benefits. It reduces the pollution, protects the aquatic ecosystems, prevents soil contamination, and conserves water resources and maintains ecological balance. Without treatment, our environment would be severely damaged. Future technologies. So, first one is membrane bioreactors. The system uses special membranes to filter wastewater and remove very fine particles and microorganisms. Smart monitoring systems. Sensors and digital technology helps monitor water quality and treatment process in real time. Energy recovered from the sewage. Sludge from the sewage treatment plants can be reused to produce biogas, which can generate electricity and heat. And fourth one is wastewater recycling system. Advanced treatment technologies are treated wastewater to be reused for irrigation, industrial processing, and even drinking water after purification. This innovation helps us to improve water conservation and energy efficiency and sustainability and wastewater management. Role of society in sewage management. So, society plays a very important role in maintaining such clean water systems and proper sewage management. Public awareness and responsible behavior can help to reduce water pollution and improve sanitation. First one, we have to avoid dumping in waste in the drains. Next, we have to conserve the water. And next one, support sanitation programs and promote environment awareness and proper waste disposal. Conclude, Conclusion. Sewage treatment is essential for protecting the environment, health, health and water resources. It removes harmful pollutants, microorganisms, and waste from the wastewater because releasing it into natural water bodies. Through proper treatment methods and advanced technologies, wastewater can be converted into useful resources. If we combine technology with responsible behavior, we can clean water, health, ecosystems, and a sustainable future. Thank you.